Hey everyone, this is Sarah with RegisteredNurseRN.com. In this video, I'm going to let you listen to 6 abnormal lung sounds, which will include wheezes, stridor, crackles, and pleural friction rub. This will be part of a review series of the lungs. Also, be sure to check out the video on normal lung sounds as well as a lecture and skills demonstration, which is part of this series. So let's get started. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Remember, you can go to our channel to find more videos on nursing skills, NCLEX prep, and more. So please subscribe and share this video with others.